Hey, I've been hearing about overnight funds. What exactly are they?
Great question. Overnight funds are a type of open-ended debt mutual fund. They invest in securities that mature in just one day.
Interesting. So, how do they actually work?
At the beginning of each business day, the fund holds cash. The fund manager then invests that cash into overnight securities, which automatically mature the next working day. This cycle repeats daily.
Oh, so they're kind of low risk?
Since the investments mature daily, they may carry very low interest rate risk and duration risk. But remember, they may offer lower returns.
Got it. That really helps. Thanks.
Anytime. Let me know if you want to explore other types of funds too.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.